and all appeals and judicial reviews. And for family law,
come to us for divorce, separation, consent orders, child arrangement orders, financial orders, and mediation.
Come, let's do business. Our address is
14 Claypole Road, Stratford, London, E15 2RJ.
Please call 0203 759 3309 or 078 2470 5353 or 077 8732 7985. Our 24-hour emergency contact line is
079 4323 5364. Email info@abinellesolicitors.co.uk.
ABINELLE Solicitors. Timely intervention, excellent result.
To where you are always welcome home, welcome.
Today's news is about success stories. Ever since we introduced ABINELLE Solicitors to you, there have been countless impactful stories from our clients. So if you are yet to experience the most promising law firm in London, welcome to the world of ABINELLE Solicitors, where there's always timely intervention for excellent results. ABINELLE Solicitors, we specialize in immigration and family law. So for immigration, come to us for national.
You are always welcome home, welcome.
Today's news is about success stories. Ever since we introduced ABINELLE Solicitors to you, there have been countless impactful stories from our clients. So if you are yet to experience the most promising law firm in London, welcome to the world of ABINELLE Solicitors, where there's always timely intervention for excellent results. ABINELLE Solicitors, we specialize in immigration and family law. So for immigration, come to us for nationality law,
EEA law, leave to remain, point-based system applications,
entry clearance applications, student visas, visitors visas, and all appeals and judicial reviews. And for family law,
come to us for divorce, separation, consent orders, child arrangement orders, financial orders, and mediation.
Come, let's do business. Our address is
14 Claypole Road, Stratford, London, E15 2RJ.
Please call 0203 759 3309 or 078 2470 5353 or 077 8732 7985. Our 24-hour emergency contact line is
079 4323 5364. Email info@abinellesolicitors.co.uk.
ABINELLE Solicitors. Timely intervention, excellent result.
To where you are always welcome home, welcome.
Today's news is about success stories. Ever since we introduced ABINELLE Solicitors to you, there have been countless impactful stories from our clients. So if you are yet to experience the most promising law firm in London, welcome to the world of ABINELLE Solicitors, where there's always timely intervention for excellent results. ABINELLE Solicitors, we specialize in immigration and family law. So for immigration, come to us for nationality law,
EEA law, leave to remain, point-based system applications,
entry clearance applications, student visas, visitors visas, and all appeals and judicial reviews. And for family law,
come to us for divorce, separation, consent orders, child arrangement orders, financial orders, and mediation.
Come, let's do business. Our address is
14 Claypole Road, Stratford, London, E15 2RJ.
Please call 0203 759 3309 or 078 2470 5353 or 077 8732 7985. Our 24-hour emergency contact line is
079 4323 5364. Email info@abinellesolicitors.co.uk.
ABINELLE Solicitors. Timely intervention, excellent result.
To where you are always welcome home, welcome.
Today's news is about success stories. Ever since we introduced ABINELLE Solicitors to you, there have been countless impactful stories from our clients. So if you are yet to experience the most promising law firm in London, welcome to the world of ABINELLE Solicitors, where there's always timely intervention for excellent results. ABINELLE Solicitors, we specialize in immigration and family law. So for immigration, come to us for nationality law,
EEA law, leave to remain, point-based system applications,
entry clearance applications, student visas, visitors visas, and all appeals and judicial reviews. And for family law,
come to us for divorce, separation, consent orders, child arrangement orders, financial orders, and mediation.
Come, let's do business. Our address is
14 Claypole Road, Stratford, London, E15 2RJ.
Please call 0203 759 3309 or 078 2470 5353 or 077 8732 7985. Our 24-hour emergency contact line is
079 4323 5364. Email info@abinellesolicitors.co.uk.
ABINELLE Solicitors. Timely intervention, excellent result.
To where you are always welcome home. Welcome.
Today's news is about success stories. Ever since we introduced ABINELLE Solicitors to you, there have been countless impactful stories from our clients. So if you are yet to experience the most promising law firm in London, welcome to the world of ABINELLE Solicitors, where there's always timely intervention for excellent results. ABINELLE Solicitors, we specialize in immigration and family law. So for immigration, come to us for nationality law,
EEA law, leave to remain, point-based system applications,
entry clearance applications, student visas, visitors visas, and all appeals and judicial reviews. And for family law,
come to us for divorce, separation, consent orders, child arrangement orders, financial orders, and mediation.
come, let's do business. Our address is
14 Claypole Road, Stratford, London, E15 2RJ.
please call 0203 759 3309 or 078 2470 5353 or 077 8732 7985. Our 24-hour emergency contact line is
079 4323 5364. Email info@abinellesolicitors.co.uk.
ABINELLE Solicitors. Timely intervention, excellent result.
To where you are always welcome home. Welcome.
Today's news is about success stories. Ever since we introduced ABINELLE Solicitors to you, there have been countless impactful stories from our clients. So if you are yet to experience the most promising law firm in London, welcome to the world of ABINELLE Solicitors, where there's always timely intervention for excellent results. ABINELLE Solicitors, we specialize in immigration and family law. So for immigration, come to us for nationality law,
EEA law, leave to remain, point-based system applications,
entry clearance applications, student visas, visitors visas, and all appeals and judicial reviews. And for family law,
come to us for divorce, separation, consent orders, child arrangement orders, financial orders, and mediation.
come, let's do business. Our address is
14 Claypole Road, Stratford, London, E15 2RJ.
please call 0203 759 3309 or 078.
You are always welcome home. Welcome.
Today's news is about success stories. Ever since we introduced ABINELLE Solicitors to you, there have been countless impactful stories from our clients. So if you are yet to experience the most promising law firm in London, welcome to the world of ABINELLE Solicitors, where there's always timely intervention for excellent results. ABINELLE Solicitors, we specialize in immigration and family law. So for immigration, come to us for nationality law,
EEA law, leave to remain, point-based system applications,
entry clearance applications, student visas, visitors visas, and all appeals.
Hello.
Oh, hello. Wonderful people. Once again, we thank you all. So, do share with someone to come and watch as well. A lot of people are going through immigration and family issues. Now, the best place any baby back person they be American ABINELLE Solicitors. Omwa ena eko. Ubi adada wa enko ABINELLE pe. Na ena yesha se yebeye interviews kakra because ye who say adofo bebre. Echo issues bi musa na yenya na yete testimony nyema ABINELLE oye obua ama enkrofo etime gina mo na so biem na mesanka biem baby ba ko pe ABINELLE Solicitors what is okode ono na ye na ebe shase enti obi anya ready mo ye ready medam asese mo baso mpacho invite someone obaso pa no invite nipa 20 udo MDA dia no invite nipa 20 na Oma abe joining. Nyame enhwem nyana. Se mutemenka anamutie ene show ya na ABINELLE Solicitors na yene omo ebedi nkomo. Yene yenua ba papa bi lawyer Amy and our beautiful lawyer Peggy. Omunya agrokra omunya made me kaso omunya made se moti ase. Nti ye be sha ase. Lawyer Amy me pachotemenka. Can you hear from me?
Yes, I can.
How are you?
Very well, thank you. How are you?
I'm very good. Thank you for asking. Peggy, how are you? Peggy, I can't hear from you.
Good, dear. Please, how are you?
I am very good. Thank you for asking. It's been a long time. Good to hear from you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice to see you again, MD.
Nice to see you too. Thank you. So we are going to start the interview now. Do you want to say hello to your fans and then we can start?
Yeah, hello everyone. I'm Peggy from ABINELLE Solicitors. I'm here today with Amy. We are here to assist you with any immigration issues you're facing. So you are all welcome to engage in this conversation we are going to have. I'll pass on to Amy.
Thank you.
Hello. I'm just greeting all viewers this afternoon. Thank you so much for logging in to watch us on this very afternoon. We have some excellent topics that we're going to discuss, and I hope you will all be informed and educated.
Okay, thank you, Loyemi. Loyemi, I say mo fam ho na dia jama brofo de mu didi agro kakem. Peggy say I'm packing, I'm man te Peggy crass am no kind. Brofo da mo kan sa no. And I say we dem baba me ho akire me o.
Oh, you went to Mudia to form that local.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you. Diagro again. Diagro. Thank you. I'll start with Peggy. Peggy, have you got any updates for us? Please.
Yes, there is an update which came out on the 20th of June 2020. It's about the private life. Mm-hmm. This appendix came to replace paragraph 276 ADE to 276 DH. These are previous private life rules, which was in the immigration rules.
Okay.
However, they've separated it and given it its own appendix. This private life appendix is mainly for children. Even though people who have lived here for 20 years can still apply on this appendix private life. Wow. It basically favors children who were born in the UK.
Okay.
So the main or the essential point I want viewers to be aware is that if you have a child who was born in the UK and the child has lived here for 7 years continuous, this child can apply straight away for settlement.
Okay. Okay.
Because previously, if a child who has lived here for 7 years was going to apply, he was going to be given the 2 years, 2.5, so that it was going to be a long distance. However, this appendix private life has been instituted to help children who were born in the UK, but have no status or have no immigration rights. To have a quicker route, that's to have a shorter route to settlement than to go through this 2.5 period. So if you have a child who has lived in the UK for 7 years and over, they can apply straight for
So as long as the child is here for 7 years, they can apply. And
yes,
that's fine.
but the main point is the child should be born in the UK if they want to go straight for settlement. It also favors children who were brought into the UK when they were a child. Like if you brought your child in the UK at the age of 5 years, and the child has lived here for 5 years continuous, this child can also apply, but the child will not be given straight away settlement because the child was not born in the UK.
So the 7 years is going to get the settlement, but the 5 years is going to get a lesser one.
A lesser one.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay.
That's the update I have for our viewers today.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Loyemi.
Hello.
Are you ready for me?
Yes,
Can you give
I
us
am.
the update, please? Any update you got?
All right. So, well, this week, one of the updates I was very excited about is the naturalization route. And one of the requirements for naturalization is good character. What the Home Office guidance now says is before this current guidance, what they said is if you apply to naturalize as British, they look at your good character requirements, but they also look at the fact that possibly you may have overstayed in the UK. And what they do is they count 10 years from the date you make yourself sort of known to the Home Office, 10 years from that date before you can naturalize. Looking at the current guidance, it looks like they're moving away from that 10-year ban, which gives people more freedom, more liberty to apply to naturalize after 12 months of having indefinite leave to remain. So you don't have to worry if you've overstayed. You don't have to worry if you were in the UK and you know something happened, there was sort of an interruption, so you couldn't go back to your home country. They are now saying that, no, come forward with your applications. It would not stop you. The good character requirement will not stop you from applying after you've been settled for 12 months. So I think that's an excellent update, and we're happy for the law for the guidance to give such leadway to naturalization sort of applicants. Yes.
What are some of the things you classify as bad character?
Bad character, wow. Bad character ranges from so many different things. Of course, the obvious one would be a criminal offense.
Okay.
That's bad character, whether we like it or not. That's not in good character at all.
Yeah.
However, let's say if you maybe sort of these civil penalties, bad debt, something like you owe a substantial amount of money, you're refusing to pay, you're constantly getting red letters, that can be considered bad character. You go through the Dartford Tunnel and you refuse to pay on several occasions. They keep sending you letters, but you just ignore them. After a while, that consistency of, continuously, breaking the rules will be considered bad character. So it's not just criminal offenses. You have to be a good individual to naturalize as British.
Okay, all right. Thank you. I've got some questions here for you that people want you to answer for them. So the first one is, my name is Erica. I have a son who is 8 years old in Ghana. I wish to make an application for leave to enter. Now I am facing financial challenges. Can I apply for a fee waiver?
All right, leave to enter. So mom has limited leave to remain.
Yeah.
All right. So if mother has limited leave to remain, That is excellent news, because even if you have low income at this point and you can't afford the very expensive fees, we have to remember that they've introduced fee waivers for human right-based applications.
Okay.
So if the child being in Ghana and mother is in the UK, and the child is not able to join mother just because they can't afford the fees, that may be classified as an interference with their family life, their right to a family life. Okay, so what the Home Office guidance is saying is that they're giving the opportunity for these visa applicants to apply for a fee waiver, but they are looking closely at something called the affordability test. So they want to see, can you afford it? If you have £10,000 in your account, you can afford the fees. They are not going to waive the fees, but they're looking to see, importantly, can you afford to pay the fees or not? So they're going to look into your bank statement, and importantly too, if the child has a bank statement, they'll be looking into the child's bank and financial situation as well to see whether the fees can be paid or not.
So it's for those who can't afford it?
Yes, it's for definitely for those who can't afford it.
Okay. Lawyer Peggy. Me pacho me ba so kakra. Me pesa me nudi nkomo bebre.
Okay.
Okay, so the next question comes to you. Maria, I've seen one or two questions on a comment section on the Norma Radio. Obisa, I have a British child in the UK. I want to renew my leave, but I receive benefits. Do I qualify for a fee waiver?
Okay. As Emmy said, the new guidance on fee waiver, which came into force in April this year, it gives right for human rights applications. And as a father, did they say he's a father or a mother? As a father, you have a child. Oh, okay. Yeah. You have a British child.
Yeah.
You cannot say you want to divide that relationship the father has with the son or with the child. So this part of his situation, it goes under the human rights. So definitely, yes, he qualified. The aspect of benefits, it really shows that this person is destitute already. That's why he or she is relying on benefits. So they will take into account the type of benefits you receive. Either it's universal credits, whether it's Chasta's credits, or the other benefits you receive. They will calculate it. Then they will also check whether you are working. It's not the fact that because you receive benefits, you automatically qualify. They will still do their assessments. They will check whether you are working. They will take your bank statements to check, and you also have to provide letters from the benefits you are taking. Then they will calculate. So the benefits and the income you receive from your employment will form your household income. Then afterwards, they will deduct your household expenditure from this income. Afterwards, if you don't have anything left, you are destitute. Then you qualify for the fee waiver. So if you receive benefit, it doesn't stop you from applying for a fee waiver. You do qualify, depend on your circumstances. Maybe you are working, you receive benefit, but altogether it's able to cater for your household expenses, and you get some surplus which you could have saved for your application. So they will take that also into account. So it depends.
Thank you, Lawyer Peggy. But maybe so, and so let's say someone comes to you now. Ubetimi show nya kwanana the paper so the beba no betimi ahwe mu and then accounting nyama say I don't think you qualify. Ye wonye bi wo ho a wutimi hwe no aka say no I don't think you we dey ye touch cry you don't qualify for this. E die ben sa na bema wo hu nipa ben mu sa no monye entitled to. Lawyer Peggy.
Okay. Into uba yenchenya. First thing I ever catch or yebema would do bank statements aba.
Yeah.
Any will pay slips aba.
Okay.
Then we will take your income and expenditure. We will do it here. We will will expenses for the month.
Okay.
Now you calculate will income no so now ya share yet it's in your be free muna usikano eswa.
Yeah.
We know that you qualify. However, you better go into your accounts because MDA and yes, I would do bank statements, bank and I say they go into the bank statements item by item, transaction by transactions. So why the transactions be it was unnecessary. Any extravagant spending. Who sponsor extravagant spending to sell. Oh, sorry, there would Zara, oh, Tonyoma, what a course. John Louis,
unnecessary spending,
unnecessary spending. Sorry, who debeggers I can say, oh. Maybe now, I was saying, you share your account near. Obi wo ha ye nyamu Ghana for ade ba kwa mehu ne say with the juma ye obi timo de na account mo obi no more transfer sika tum here and there. Obi say omo be ka say it's somebody na di tu mu sika no kra nya me de. But now what say we case nti ye nyamu mu keep my account not tight. Why?
I love what you just said.
Omo check it. I am post so many occasions because Miniska there be you have to spend accordingly. It should be a necessity for life.
Okay.
Say yes.
Okay.
It should be an essential needs. Food is essential needs, but Johnny Obetia man abro super brace and
KFC and Rihanna and men so called beggar. Nando's. Into just a watcher.
Okay.
Thank you. Watcher. In fact, I'm enjoying it. Yeah, that's a prior. Yeah, that's it. Lawyer Peggy. Lawyer Amy, me patro me also. Lawyer Peggy said something. Let's say I've got money in my account, but then I've got a lot of responsibilities. Mature way. Sikani woman dear. But at the end of the month, say your mama 10,000 crab come account, I've only got £15 because of the expenses. Expenses in the church, I mean, could beggar king, mean called Nando's, mean could traminum. Expenses in the church, I have paid for things that I really need to pay. And no, almost at the end of the month, you get this 10,000 or 2,000 or 3,000 coming in. Ain't you know, yeah, my and answer almost expenses and no, maybe sir. Let me yanko.
You won't say, a dear way, dear, a so woman case, ye him kakra. Want to me and vango to hook there, sir. Won't say, yet to me share with income and expenses. Oh, you share with income new expenses. Your friend be income and expenditure statement. A share with finances, Nina, into scar would dear and a scar woody. Now, yet to me, I deductible expenses, Nina.
Okay.
As Peggy said, no keywords are using essential needs. Into gas, electricity is essential. Water, food, clothing, not extravagant clothing, but clothing to clothe yourself is And then remember that they also look at children. NDA, OSHA Home Office guidance. Now, on what protected children? They say the welfare of the child, the best interest of the child, and no mushemu into who are kola, and you are looking at somebody's affordability. They give priority to people who have children because, as we all know, children are expensive. Our children are expensive. You need to buy school uniforms. You need to pay for nursery fees. You need to pay for after-school clubs. It's very expensive to run, your children's expenses. Into home office, are very helpful. The caseworker should look at the welfare and the best interest of children when we are considering such fee waiver cases. Although they still look at the children who are here and their reliability, their dependency on you. Sure, they won't call out no show afano. Mommy, me daddy, I need this. They look at all of that, all the expenses to make sure someone make it a decision. And they met me akabi be say yeah, I'm a Ghana for because they country applications are fat loans, digital loans, ne overdrafts, credit cards, ne long-term liabilities. J answer na application me kanene home office omunsumao just adrian application. Ubeti me a fee waiver edia trawo ama fine. You don't need to, go and borrow to pay for your child's fees, because what they are saying is we need to look at the family life, the human rights of this individual, the family life, the right to a family life. So if that is going to be disrupted, we need to remember and could share fees ABINELLE solicitors betimi aboa every step of the way to ensure say we fees ne de if you are in a fix, financial situation, we put to come and you are looking, change scano, but we banso the age no cost. We are saying this application is for a child, leave to enter for a child. On drew 18 pet. Sa application no ebini home manabium. Inti and tray and kase pesca ansana udi ubabeba. Uniska krana embuye. And say, Behuyen, you bet me a boa was a quine passo.
Wonderful she, ABINELLE solicitors here, damo as someone what's ye, and Cassa. You just said, I feel some Matthias here, the current testimonies, even Lawyer Amy. Nedika make us yadasi bebre, because this kind of things, you don't hear it from elsewhere, because obi bawon chenya so uchi answer some information ya woni lawyer Peggy di ma yesese some information we ubechia answer na obi create me a culture one ma yenya need that so say even if we don't have the money, we can't afford it. Mo emwa mo betimi aboa yen ama yetimi ayesanyama we nyina. I'll plead with you to put your phone number ubetimi aka train and my address in case someone wants to come to you right now to discuss their issues with you. Into patrol. All
right.
Yeah.
Okay. Into your contact number, as you can see, is going across the screens. Our contact number is 07824 705 353. And I say by your office landline no obenya ye wo 0203 759 3309. You were 24-hour line be at any time or problem mu o pese wo fraying ya chiwo ye de wo kofie fraying what 079 32 35 364. Your office, Enya Yirakwine, you're the heart of East London, Stratford, 14 Claypool Road, London, Stratford. Your postcode near E15 2RJ.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Mepachobi bisa Assembly and I would ask Metimi Ebisana Machara or say MTA, I am a single mother living in the UK with my 6-year-old child. We have lived here for 2 years. My child has an European passport, but can we both apply to live in the UK with the EU settlement?
Okay. Yes. MTA, so they've lived here for 2 years. So
yeah, 2 years.
It means they came in 2020.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have to know whether they were here before the 31st of December 2020. That's a key date we cannot go without. Because if the child has European passport and the child was here before the 31st of December 2020, then the child can apply on the EU settlement scheme. Even though the deadline has passed for application, there are still room because if we can give reasonable explanation or reasonable excuse why the child did not apply at that time, then his application will be accepted.
All right.
Because there can be excuses like the child cannot make the application on his own. He is a child.
Yes.
Somebody has to make the application for the child. And there was nobody at that point to do the application for the child.
Yeah.
So this is a very valid excuse for this child to apply. So what we need to do, what we need to know is if they were here before the 31st of December.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
So if they can call us, then we will take the case further and we will know what to do.
All right. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. I believe, sir, Mr. Ben Wuti, Hanti Ufromwa, Omobe Kata, into telephone number, na me patrol, Ayana Mode Ato, Ayinaso Amame. Someone is asking, MDA, please, is the UK 180 days rule per visit or per year? Well, I've never heard of it before.
Okay.
What is?
Okay, I think I don't know if that's in respect to visitors' visas.
Okay.
If it's in respect to a visitor's visa, we have to remember what they usually do is if you apply for a 6 months visitor's visa, they will give you 6 months. Okay. However, and it could be a multiple, right? Now, when you are applying for entry clearance as a visitor, you may have told the entry clearance officer that I would come to the UK for 3 weeks, for 3 weeks or for 4 weeks. What they are saying is, what you have said, they are going to hold you to that what you have mentioned.
Okay.
3 weeks is 3 weeks. Although you've been given a 6 month visitor's visa, you told the entry clearance officer you're only staying for 3.
Yeah.
So at the end of your 3 week trip, it is necessary to return back to your country of origin. And then if you want to come back again, if it's a multiple, you can come back again. You can re-enter the UK again on another occasion. When you come back into the UK again, remember, you are not going in front of an entry clearance officer anymore. You've passed that stage. But now you're going to go before an immigration officer at the airport.
Okay.
All right. So when you get to the airport, they will ask you how many weeks you want to spend. You would then need to tell them. So the 180 days does not mean that when you come, you spend the full 180 days, and then you are enjoying yourself. Yes. Yes. That is not what they are looking for. They are looking for, when you're making the application, you ought to have satisfied the rules. The rule says you have to have a genuine intention to visit the UK.
Okay.
Your intention was to come for 3 weeks, not for 180 days. So you come for your 3 weeks and then you re-enter another time if you wish to travel to the UK again. And you let the immigration officer, as and when they ask you, you let them know what you're coming to do and how long you're going to spend. And then you can spend some of your 180 days, because I know you're very, very, anxious to spend more time in the UK, but you need to be able to abide by the rules. Otherwise, you breach the conditions of your leave.
Thank you. Someone is saying, the way you explain things, I feel it really good. Because some of the things, I ain't sure what sir. They want to say thank you,
bless you,
Peggy, and
bless you.
Thank you so
bless
much.
You, yeah.
Obi Edie and Amdebe. My name is Ernest. My wife is in Ghana, and I want to make an application to bring her to join me. I work as a cleaner, but my income is very low. Can I apply for a fee waiver? Or you cleaner, but in the second year, crazy. Or person then you're in Eba. Lawyer Peggy, Yanko. And then Lawyer Peggy, me no be here, Jumapa.
I'm ready for you.
Okay.
It's a Yabafa and Nipa way, or person funny urine bra, which is on the spouse visa, and it also falls under the human rights application because right to family life. So person by urine back can no my brabo no endimu or UK and hunya say I want you womb. I want to. It's human rights application. Yes, I will say yes or qualify for fee waiver. He can apply, But as we've already said, they will assess your income and expenditure.
Okay.
Mind you, if you are applying for your wife here, they will not assess only your income. They will add your spouse income as well.
Okay.
Into wife no mo behwe so no so ye adwuma wo fi.
But what's in the wife no Ghana?
And the wife no Ghana, yes. Omubehwe ni income. Yeah, no so yeah, because you are a family. You are a family. You are a family, so they will assess, and even if you are here and you are applying and you are a family, they assess the family income, not just a particular person. So if you are here, you have a partner and you are applying, you are making your application. But if you have a partner, they will ask you to bring your partner's also income, your partner's bank statements, because you are a household. They assess the family income. Into so wife no so ye adwuma wo fia. When I won't say your chrome for no so ebe or your trader, ebe okra only bank account. Ni o ya ni mo
Okoton ade na no scan no de bon into man. That's it.
Yeah, mommy mu jom for my and you be na wa be a bank account. If your baby said this person, how are they going to assess their income? So how would they get the bank statement? And what is common in Ghana is the Momo account or something. So you can present that one, the Momo statement. They can also use it to assess into who papa na wo ha we clean na wo income from no. They will add your wife's income back home and join it together. We will have your wife expenses are omeki back home. We will take your expenses here. Then we will deduct it from those income. If your income is lesser than your expenses and you have deficit at the end of the month, you do not meet your essential needs, definitely you can't be granted, hopefully. And we know the submissions we can add to it to help your application. It's a Monfrey. Monfrey, we are here for you.
But I say, Lawyer Peggy, thank you so much. You have a break by a minute be near back. So the questions never will be back and was in here. We'll come back in a minute.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You are always welcome home. Welcome.
Today's news is about success stories. Ever since we introduced ABINELLE Solicitors to you, there have been countless impactful stories from our clients. So if you are yet to experience the most promising law firm in London, welcome to the world of ABINELLE Solicitors, where there's always timely intervention for excellent results. ABINELLE Solicitors, we specialize in immigration and family law. So for immigration, come to us for nationality law,
EEA law, leave to remain, point-based system applications,
entry clearance applications, student visas, visitors visas, and all appeals and judicial reviews. And for family law,
come to us for divorce, separation, consent orders, child arrangement orders, financial orders, and mediation.
Come, let's do business. Our address is
14 Claypole Road, Stratford, London, E15 2RJ.
Please call 0203 759 3309 or 078 2470 5353 or 077 8732 7985. Our 24-hour emergency contact line is
079 4323 5364. Email info@abinellesolicitors.co.uk.
ABINELLE Solicitors. Timely intervention, excellent result.
To where you are always welcome home. Welcome.
Today's news is about success stories. Ever since we introduced ABINELLE Solicitors to you, there have been countless impactful stories from our clients. So if you are yet to experience the most promising law firm in London, welcome to the world of ABINELLE Solicitors, where there's always timely intervention for excellent results. ABINELLE Solicitors, we specialize in immigration and family law. So for immigration, come to us for nationality law,
EEA law, leave to remain, point-based system applications,
entry clearance applications, student visas, visitors visas, and all appeals and judicial reviews. And for family law,
come to us for divorce, separation, consent orders, child arrangement orders, financial orders, and mediation.
come, let's do business. Our address is
14 Claypole Road, Stratford, London, E15 2RJ.
please call 0203 759 3309 or 078 2470 5353 or 077 8732 7985. Our 24-hour emergency contact line is
079 4323 5364. Email info@abinellesolicitors.co.uk.
ABINELLE Solicitors. Timely intervention, excellent result.
To where you are always welcome home. Welcome.
Today's news is about success stories. Ever since we introduced ABINELLE Solicitors to you, there have been countless impactful stories from our clients. So if you are yet to experience the most promising law firm in London, welcome to the world of ABINELLE Solicitors, where there's always timely intervention for excellent results. ABINELLE Solicitors, we specialize in immigration and family law. So for immigration, come to us for nationality law,
EEA law, leave to remain, point-based system applications,
entry clearance applications, student visas, visitors visas, and all appeals and judicial reviews. And for family law,
come to us for divorce, separation, consent orders, child arrangement orders, financial orders, and mediation.
come, let's do business. Our address is
14 Claypole Road, Stratford, London, E15 2RJ.
please call 0203 759
Okay. Madam Munyana say, those who just more joining in to see Madam Munyana say, be patcho mutemenka. Hello. Mutemenka. All right, okay. More mabaso Madam say, more shamia a higher MDA media, many ABINELLE Solicitors and AD Sir Ejume. So say na we shall say obetimi akwa share fi infitiase. Obetimi join in so YouTube, your website so MDA media so obetimi akwa show ho. ABINELLE Solicitors here TikTok, here Instagram, here baby a ko na join na ko share bibia ewo ho. Mesremo yantena ha se yetena kanekeke because omo lawyers and the pass yetena se ye kanekeke sir with testimonies bibia nipa mo abemo bu. They have no hope. Omo feel say eni da so ni bibia ABINELLE Solicitors mo adaroma omanya omo nkrata ene omutimi koba obi ka chem say MDA ya na meti ambulance ka people na say na me pe bibia adwane ahye me ka say police for na eba ABINELLE Solicitors adaroma omo bakra me share police one kra me na metimi eche wo mo enti ABINELLE eye adwuma kase so wo ministry and sorry kase na pese ABINELLE eba ho na obekasa ema masafo na untimi enya sorry na members egum na omani nje omete kokoko ape na obi adwane so for me pacho bo nkrofo no omsunya enkrata ni nyina ABINELLE ewo ho ema sa nipa nyina ABINELLE obi efra me bisa ma assembi ye corporate can sese na me pese me bisa wansa na makona school me nim say ye wie 5 o'clock but me srem mo ma me couple of minutes nka ho na yemfa enye nyina me pacho o se ni kunu wo kro foforo so ana pese ni kunu eba ha krom ha aye UK na me pacho o pese obi sa say me de me nim say ABINELLE obi wo Ghana obi betimi akomo office wo Ghana enya akoya nya details bi aba krom na aba so wo kro foforo so ana say bibi no mutimi ye ma obi oti kro bi so foforo so say ebia o pese otu kwan ba ha coming from a number but no mumbisano. No onka into details in chamo because mantia say yes. Utimi yama obi okro for so na me patcho me pesa wa wenu masem wo kana onya kro no etiebi or hwen.
Okay. Inti, thank you, MDA. You know, applications concerning spouses, dear, all over the world.
Okay.
Providing you have the visa center that deals with, processing UK-based applications.
Okay.
You can make an entry clearance application to come to the UK. It's not just Ghana, it's for all over the world.
Okay.
You know, no matter where, even maybe you are even a Ghanaian and you are in a different country, you're living, working in a different country, but you want to come and join your spouse here in the UK. Today we are telling you that there's a way, there's a route to come into the UK, providing you meet the immigration rules. So it's
lawyer Peggy, the spouse in the Chroma. Chronomery, but chrono, and he wants to come here. Is there any way more skills we are not be about and your spouse we I explained to him say no kind of maintain the best thing is over from on watch and say I had to send me work for some person me by UK into this spouse and I say BBR. That's what he's saying. He just wanna come to UK. BB Sawo.
Yeah, MD, who say, baby, I will be me so far as I said, so far as some more visa processing center no one there. Yes, Abba. You can come as a student, you can come as a visitor, you can come as a skilled worker. It's kind of it's your on fire now on church any situation that's the right advice or better
okay, yo. Me da say yanko maybe some to Mr. Mom say we are very busy nti me pamocho. Mama maybe some questions be me enu me nse be na menja mo why. Na mo hu me kakra na me say edwuma mo ye edoso Mr. Mom. Obi say I have lived in the UK for 20 years unlawfully. I want to regularize my stay in the UK can I apply for a fee waiver since I do not work? So he's lived here for 20 years unlawfully. Can he apply for the fee waiver?
Yes, definitely he can apply for a fee waiver.
Okay.
Again, this is a private life application, but it's going to be assessed by way of affordability. Does this applicant meet the affordability test? So if the answer to that is yes, then yes, there's a chance for them to apply. MD, we have to remember that the people who are applying for 20 years, they've lived here unlawfully for 20 years. A lot of these people do not, of course, work because they do not have the right to work in the UK. So then it begs the question, where then do they find the money, 2,650 odd pounds to make an application? Of course, if they don't have relatives or friends that support them financially, then of course they are in a bit of a fix. So the Home Office guidance have made it quite flexible for you to also to make a fee waiver application so that the fee will be waived and you would have the chance to apply to regularize your stay.
Okay. So I would also like to add a little bit to it. So with such people, somebody will ask a question. So if you're here 20 years, you're not working, who is supporting you? It might be a friend, it might be a family member. So that they will require you to provide the bank statement for this person who is sponsoring you. The person will have to provide their income, their bank statement to show that yes, they work and they support you. Yes, so that's what will happen. Yes.
Thank you. That's it. Pachomo Mamiko, last question. I have limited leave to remain based on 10-year parent route. I left my 15-year-old son back in Ghana. I'm on universal credit. Obey me. I fee waiver or universal credit.
MDA, this is a very good question. A very good question, I will be saying, because ever so often, young pofwa, person application, be catch say, minisco, minyejuma, me waba krum ha minyejuma, inti me day akofa me ba or Ghana. Because in their minds, they feel said there's like a financial requirement, which is at a set rate, because they often get the 18,600 spouse financial requirement mixed up with if you are bringing your child and you have limited leave to remain. Well, the American and they said the good news, they said, who to me apply for ba abra or benefits is so. You see, you can do that. They look at certain aspects of the rules. Okay, so first of all, they compare the income support allowance rate to your income minus your housing expenses. Quite a complicated calculation. Okay. All right, but we have to remember that income benefits is also classified as a form of income, isn't it? It's not that jia bicycle saska ne de enyeska eyeska over to me aja bicycle now they limited leave to enter application ama wo ba and chese say oye juma e bia na wo ho akere ejuma no ntimi nye because wo usan wo ba wo krom ha into you are the housemaker unko ejuma e bia you a single parent wo hwe wo ba wo be den aja wo ba wo ho akọ ejuma into abine hwe asetna hwe financial situation. I am here to tell you today said obi a oja bicycle they are not to be left out. And they are not to be ignored. The fact that oja bicycle and she said definitely no you don't qualify. It is so what's that situation when they met to obia for say ABINELLE solicitors they be for coin be so no boko na unsa account
lawyer me mo be na say also me for coin be so aye
boko na ya come on because the name said is be here no ama bibia
I'm telling you you are done wonderful machine why am dear one lawyer Peggy me dasi lawyer Peggy me patrol wo bibi kan ansana me ba lawyer me so wo bibi kan you know so wo bibi kan
in all no Yamaka try ya for ni yatie for ni say ABINELLE solicitors we are here to serve you ya famon dia bro oba senior situation no akodru bia no
mo
ya de nyame gidie ene paibo ebeta wachi ene nimdia nyame dia maye that will turn the situation around for you. And to send the situation now could be don't lose hope, bra. Na jide bi wo efie ha wo ba ebeye juma ama. Until yes right for say they shouldn't lose hope. Eya ya pass out to from ha woni nkrata.
Yeah.
Sana to say I mean that's a make us now.
No I am
mobile utie say giant won join to mo join. But Oba, na minsi. Ebeye yamo.
Me da se lawyer Peggy, u kan no wasam amakosi asembia me show bi na no na obi ka cha me say okoji ne sika kra ye di sika no. Why you adwuma ne kra ne for like a month. Ni fi area so dan ne ka. Na ne sanka iska no ofro nya kro no de aba ne ye adwuma no nya kro ne say me ni fi say. Enti ne wo kan ya mpa ema wo eye ti say wo ye mobo. Aha, enti ABINELLE beboa mo. Osi achia said the enkra mbuye and na lawyer Peggy kan no. Din said someone just sent me a message or say opamocho onima kenkan. She can't write and she's an illiterate. Inteno oba mo ho kwan say mo beboa no akyekye mo atrotro amana na opamocho mimbisa mo. Osi mimbisa mo.
Ombra. Yeah, teach pa yeah ebi mu kra wo fi omutimu trotri. Until the umbra. Yeah, opesa okaga. Yeah, boss. Gan. Emi beka gan man. Obeka chia. Mesumi wako. Emi titi but umbra.
So much. I've really enjoyed this show. Thank you so much. Loyemi.
Hello.
Yeah, ready. Obi say me say I gave your friend Otesco ABC DT. Yentimi intro 1 2 3 4 5 into your bar. Menim say mu demo wasa abuchano. When we listen to the testimony that we had the other day, now let's just say, Abinelle, what you are doing is unbelievable. And Lawyer Peggy can say me so I made the part or say nyame ka ho. You see the way you talk, the way you receive people, the way you help people. Obi be can say on that. But oba eni nyina wo boa no. Anunti we want to say a big thank you to ABINELLE Solicitors. Say onyame mbo mo no fa mo nkwa mama nyina so because ebi o ha woni obi obekasa ma no. Obi o ha woni obi obeboa no. But maba mo boa nkrofo even worldwide. Nye obi a na be sa de no. Yada ma say Loyemi ka bibi na afede yenko.
Okay, nti de me catch a tiff one nyan say you have say your best serving mo you been making sure say whatever the case is, whether an easy one, a difficult one, an in between one, I'm a successful amount. I'm a brow energy.
Okay.
Jumani nya de radine can't be bian na bibia ako I said it's supposed to be. Inti because of that, we end up with excellent results, you know, on a regular basis. Intimate to like me say obia on here legal advice, immigration, family, come in, feel free, come in and feel at home because we'll treat you very well and we'll make sure say we'll case it here and we'll be him na akoyi. Thank you so much.
Abinam Pacho, some for number to Johnny Uncle.
All right. All right. Into your number, your contact number, no, is 078 24 705. Office line, no better me afraid your office line. And no, 0203 759 3309. Yes, our emergency 24-hour line be so chiwa and I said bibia koswa unya immediate help. Ubetimi afraid was 079 43 235 364.
May I say Lawyer Amy. Onyame insure papa. Mpacho mo time na yemfa say ebia so obi pese ebia obaho straighter. Me pacho address no obetimi dey atudwa mame.
All right, into address na in Irakwan. It was Stratford in East London. 14 Claypool Road. Stratford, London. Your postcode near E152RJ.
Yo, me da say, Loyemi, mo shami aha MDA Media, many ABINELLE Solicitors, and AD said you may de kasia yedi. Me pacho jumede ya de bremo every Friday between 5 and 6 p.m. Inti se update bi a wo pacho monko ABINELLE Solicitors page ya de beto o mu be huni nyina ho ana mo ba MDA Media so am be hu ABINELLE Solicitors on social media be bia on website so Instagram, TikTok be bia wo update bia mo de monko ho na monko hu details no ho afa so te person ne Lawyer Amy uko hu no na ye bia o say Lawyer Amy metie wo your friend is saying MD show no way no no I can't channel na we who say mo hwe no e wo TikTok this shows say modo Lawyer Amy na modo meso so me am dey jumedi e bai so your friend MD pretty MD ma madam Kwasante until Friday next week ye besa ehia me de mo am ba so nyina ase be patcho do share na obi she tokro mo bre the only place for you to go to when it comes to immigration and family issues is ABINELLE Solicitors. Timely intervention, excellent results. God bless you all and have a great evening. Bye-bye.
You are always welcome home. Welcome.
Today's news about success stories. Ever since we introduced ABINELLE Solicitors to you, there have been countless impactful stories from our clients. So if you are yet to experience the most promising law firm in London, welcome to the world of ABINELLE Solicitors, where there's always timely intervention for excellent results. ABINELLE Solicitors. We specialize in immigration and family law. So for immigration, come to us for nationality law,
EEA law, leave to remain, point-based system applications,
entry clearance applications, student visas, visitors visas, and all appeals and judicial reviews. And for family law,
come to us for divorce, separation, consent orders, child arrangement orders, financial orders, and mediation.
come, let's do business. Our address is
14 Claypole Road, Stratford, London, E15 2RJ.
please call 0203 759 3309 or 078 2470 5353 or 077 8732 7985. Our 24-hour emergency contact line is
079 4323 53